Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Hope you guys are doing great. So today, guess what? We are going to make some honey walnut shrimp. One of my faves at Panda. Delicious. I'm super excited. So join me in making that. I would love to see a comment from you. I would love to just, even if it's just a hi, or to let me know how you make it, or if you've ever tried it, or if you're gonna make it. Love to hear from you. Okay? So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. And let's go, you guys. Okay, you guys, so let's start with the sauce that we're gonna coat the shrimp in once it's done, just so we can get that set aside. So we're just gonna take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna take about a tablespoon and a half of sweetened condensed milk. So let's see, maybe a tad bit more. Okay, and we're gonna take a teaspoon of lemon juice. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit here. It's about good. And that's it. Since I'm only doing 10 shrimp, because it's just for me, so you might want to double this recipe if if you're making it for 3 or 4 people, because this actually would probably feed 2 people, because you want to serve with rice or noodles or whatever. Anyway, so that's done. All right, so let's get the walnuts ready. Yes. Okay, guys, so I just have this on medium high-ish heat. We're gonna add in a tablespoon of butter, and let's get this all around. And we're going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar. And a tablespoon of honey. Okay. So we're just going to heat this up. Once it gets all nice and warm and the butter's melted, we're going to add the walnuts. Okay, so that's nice and melted, so I'm actually going to turn it down a little bit, because you don't want to burn the walnuts, it'll be bitter. So we're just going to turn it down to like a medium low, and probably about a 1/4 a cup, maybe a heavy-handed 1/4 a cup. And we're just going to coat these and saute these for a few minutes. You want them to get that nice sweet flavor on here. So just watch it. You don't want them to burn, but you want to get them, you want to cook them for a few minutes for sure. Okay, you see that nice caramely color? So they're heated all the way through and you have this nice caramely color. So we're just going to put these in a little bowl and set them aside. Let's get started on the batter for the shrimp. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And, oh, I forgot. Hold on one sec. Okay, forgot to get the baking powder out. Okay, so now we're going to do 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then I have 1 beaten egg here. We're just going to use half of it. So just kind of eyeball it for half. There we go. Okay. And then we're going to need about 4 tablespoons of water. Right. And a teaspoon of oil. So just gonna eyeball it here. There we go. this is the batter. And then we're gonna kind of double fry the shrimp. We'll fry them for a few minutes, and then just for like extra crunch, we're gonna fry them again for only like, you know, 30 seconds or even a minute, maybe, just depending. And then we'll salt them afterwards before we coat them with the sauce we made earlier. Okay, perfect. All right, let's get that pan ready. Okay, I have a pan heating up, medium-high heat with some oil in it, like halfway. So while it's heating up, I'm going to show you the shrimp. So I just have some jumbo shrimp here, and they were deveined, but it had the shell on, so I took it off because since it's being battered, you know, you just want to be able to stick it in your mouth and eat it, right? So anyway, I have jumbo shrimp, clean, deveined. So I have 10 of them here. So there's that. All right, let's go fry them. Okay, guys, so I have the shrimp in the batter. I'm just going to carefully put it in the pan. They cook fast. Remember, we're gonna fry them again for some extra crunch, so you gotta work quickly. Okay, so I can rinse my hands really quick. Ooh, yes, love it. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a couple minutes, and then I'll turn them over, or about a minute, and then I'll turn them over, give it another minute or so, and drain them, and then we'll put them back in here. I'll show you that. I'll be back. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes. I'm gonna take these out. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And then we'll let the oil heat up more, you know, get hot again, and then we'll add them back in, only for like a minute, just to get them extra crispy. And then we'll put everything together. Okay, guys, so these are going to go back in for about a minute. Nice, that's hot. Okay, so just turn them over after about 30 seconds, and then another 30 seconds from the other side, and we'll take them out. Okay, you guys, that's perfect. Nice and extra crispy. So let's take them out, and I will get everything ready so we can put it all together. It smells so good in here, you guys. I wish you were here so you could eat it with me. Okay, you guys, let's put these in a bowl. It's still nice and hot. And don't forget to salt them after you take them out for the second time. So now let's add this sauce to it. And the beautiful walnuts. And I got, the walnuts I used were like whole and half pieces. Oh yes. So now this is good, you know, with like rice, fried rice, noodles. Let me, I don't want to start too much because now the batter's coming off. Oh gosh, it smells so good. Let me put it on a plate, and I'll be back. Okay guys, here it is. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. It's so good. You guys, let me know if you try this recipe, or just say hi in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. All right, you guys, I can't wait. I gotta go eat this. All right, thank you for being here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate all of you, and I will see you next time. Bye.